Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to record your screen on Windows 11 using Snipping Tool. Now, you need to open that Snipping Tool. So I'm going to search here for the Snipping Tool. Snipping Tool. All right. I'm going to open the app. All right. Gonna wait for a few moments till the snipping tool is opened. Right, or let me, right, here, boop, okay. Gonna wait for a few moments, right? And inside, click the record button, right? And select new, right? If the feature is available on your Windows. Now drag your cursor to select the area of the screen you want to capture, adjust any audio settings, and click start, right? When finished, click stop to preview and save your video. So consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.